who bears the sweetest name and adds luster to the same. Long life to her, for there's no other who takes the place of my dear mother. First in class wishes all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Kids, today's video is very special because in today's video we are going to make a very beautiful Mother's Day craft. So if you want to make something for your mom with your own hands and with your own creativity, just collect the material given in the description and make this beautiful craft with me. So let's go. Kids, as you all know that today we are going to make a very beautiful Mother's Day card. So this is a twist pop-up card. For that you will need white paper, any printed paper. If you don't have any printed paper, you can go with coloring. You need eraser, pencil, pair of scissors, scale, glue and some glitter letters. If you don't have these letters, you can write anything with your sketch pens. So kids, first of all, you need to take out a rectangle of length 30 centimeters and width 10 centimeters, as you can see. And now you need to fold this paper into half. And you need to take out the midpoint on the line that you got after folding your paper. So the half of 10 centimeters is 5 centimeters. So I have marked a point on 5 centimeters. Now keep this aside and take out another rectangle of length 20 centimeters and width 9 centimeters. And now mark 5.5 on either sides of the paper. As you can see, we got 4 new points. Now keep your scale over here and here, joining diagonal points together. And just score a line using your scissor or any pointed object. Do the same with other side as well. Now you need to fold this paper into half again. So the half of 9 cm is 4.5 centimeters. So let's mark 4.5 over here and 4.5 over here. And put your scales on both the points. And now score another line over here. Now fold your paper like this, and like this. Now hold this thing tightly and this thing tightly and gently press it inside. You will get something like this. And take out another rectangle of 26 centimeters by 9 centimeters and divide it into 4 equal halves. So kids, I hope you all are done with this much. Now what you need to do is just cover these white places with printed sheets and add some colors to these white sheets. Now take this thing and open this paper. Glue the one side of this paper and put this point over here, touching the point in the middle that we have taken out, like this. Now glue this part as well and just fold this paper like this. Press it and this is something like this. Now erase everything. Now the points that you have marked, that are 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters, just glue one half. Join this sheet over here and paste it like this. And then place this part on this 5 centimeter line again, that line that we have got, and glue the upper portion of this place, and then put your paper like this and just stick it properly. When you open this is your card. You can paste your pictures over here, your mom's pictures over here. And over here we are going to write a mom using these glitter alphabets. So your card is absolutely ready. You can give this card to your mom and she'll be very happy. So dear champs, I hope you love this beautiful Mother's Day craft and your mom will love it too. So quickly go and give them with this beautiful gift. So this comes to the end of our video. We will meet in our next video with another interesting and creative topic. Till then, take care and bye-bye.